guys, today we are in Zadar and I will show you the Zadar. Let's go. Look at her, my mom. Hi. Zadar is so good. It is so beautiful. Look at Zadar. Mama, where are we going? We are going in city center right now. Look at this. My uncle and aunt are there. We are walking through a zebra crossing. We have to book a cruise also for tomorrow. I will make a video for it, but now let's focus on this. Look at this, so beautiful. Oh my god. Look at this. Hey, what is there? Let's go over there. I think it is a swimming pool. But no, it is not a swimming pool. I will just put my leg over there. It is nothing. Mama, what is this? Yes. It is slippery. My uncle and aunt are over there. It is so slippery. Let's read what is given over here. Model Sunkevog Sustava Nebeska Tijela Merdijanska Visita Sunka Trajana Dnevonog Svigitila Deklanasija Sunsa. Solar system model, astronomical bodies, meridian latitude of the sun, duration of sunlight,
Come. One moment, Dad is
declination
going.
of the sun. Now let's go and look. My uncle and aunt. A very big ocean. No, this is not an ocean, this is a sea. Ocean is more bigger than this. And what is this? My uncle and aunt are so far from us. Oh! A seagull! It is so rare! What is this doing over here?
Oh, my
Look at
God.
this. Oh! It is not scared. I don't. And okay, then we will go there.
Can we go on the ocean?
Look around it. It is so beautiful. Oh, we will go down. Look over here. Something is under it. You know, some sound is coming over here. Mama, Nelu Papa, what is this sound? Yes. What is this sound? What is this sound?
The sound of the sea organ kehvaye ne.
What?
Sea organ.
Sea organ. It is the sound of sea organ. Where does it comes from?
It produces from the waves of sea
Why it produces?
because there were some interconnected tubes which were attached at the platform, and that tubes produces that musical sound.
Okay.
That's why it's known as sea organ.
Yes. Look at this. So beautiful. I can't believe it right now. I'm gonna run so much far that I can't show you. I'm gonna run over there. That house. It is raining right now. We are going to the city center of Croatia. I don't know what this place is, but yes, I know this is Zadar, but I don't know the name of this place. Just like we'll be sleep over here. We didn't sleep, mission incomplete. Oh, one more seagull! So many seagulls! Where do not exist? Okay, oh, they're clapping now. No, one seagull is over there. I'm so scared. That seagull. No seagull who is looking at me. Over there. My mom. There is washroom and some swings and slides which were but children. Sea organs. So bye guys. Have a nice time. Please like, subscribe and comment. I need 1K subscribers. Bye guys and have a nice time.